Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I would gonna show you how to make 10,000 profits daily by trading Nifty and Bank Nifty options. What I do daily, every day I target to make 10% returns on my capital. On an average around 8 to 10% returns. Today my capital was around 1,27,000. I targeted to make around 8 to 10%. I was able to make 8% returns. Most of the time, what I do is I try to trade with 10 lots, and my target is to make 10,000. That is what realistically anybody can do. Whenever I trade with 10 lots, my target is to make 10,000 rupees. At times, when market gives more opportunity, I also make 20,000 rupees. In one or two previous videos, I had also shared where I make 10,000, 20,000 rupees. So, um, if I have to show you, this is my deployed capital 1,27,000. And if you see the profit for the day is 10,000 rupees, which is 8%, I'm very happy. Every day, if I can make 10,000 rupees, which is more than enough for a trader for a living. And I will just show you how I just refresh. This is my actual Zerodha account, and if at all we see here, this is at the last I tried to make a CE call, I couldn't make it. Here is where I made good profit. How I was able to make 10,000 rupees. Most of the time I take breakout trades. Breakout trades are very powerful unless until it is not a fake breakout. There are ways to identify fake breakout, but today we'll see how a breakout trade resulted me with 8% profits. Most of the time I make breakout trades. Sometimes I make small scalping trades also with small quantity, just to see the punch of the market. Otherwise, I like to take breakout trades. Now, let us go to chart and see how I was able to make this profit. Let's go to Bank Nifty chart and Nifty chart and analyze the charts. Today, if we see both Nifty and Bank Nifty, what's happening? Market opened with gap up, and if we see overall market is at all-time high. Market is at all-time high. What could we expect when market is at all-time high? Definitely profit booking. You would be able to see market opened with a good amount of gap up. Already market is all-time high and it is opened with a gap up, and most of the global markets are not really at all-time high. Only Indian markets are at all-time high. What could we expect? Market to settle down or people start booking profits. Three things will happen when there is a gap up. One is market will continue to go higher, higher, higher. Sometimes you see it opens with huge gap up. We will be waiting for market for a small correction. It will never correct. It will keep going higher, higher, higher. Second thing what will happen is initial session we'll see some profit booking happening, and then again market will start bouncing again. Third thing, everybody will start booking their profits. Today we could see there was a huge profit booking that was happening. Bank Nifty tried to recover a bit, whereas if you could see Nifty was very weak today. Very weak. It opened flat gap up. From the moment it opened, it started to fall. So initially if you observe, Bank Nifty tried to recover. Because of the IT stocks, Nifty started to fall down and Bank Nifty started to fall. Now, let's see where is our entry and exit. Where should ideally we make a good entry? Should we somewhere take a breakout trade here? No, we should not take a breakout trade here because Nifty is not supporting it. You see, Nifty is very weak. Nifty is very weak. This would not give us a good trade. It's very, very risky trade unless until Nifty doesn't support. Less likely Bank Nifty make a big move. Wait for market to come back to current day low. If at all we had seen somewhere market coming here, taking support and bouncing, we could have got really good upside move. Whereas if at all we had waited with patience, market broke down, very good breakdown with volume. We see that volume is crossing 20 moving average in this candle itself, and we can see that I usually trade with 3 moving averages: 8 EMA, 20 EMA and 35 EMA. Many people doesn't know the secret of 35 EMA, for which I'll make a separate video. It's a beautiful secret about 35 moving average. You could see that I have exponential moving average 8, 20, 35. Beautiful secret about 35 moving average. I'll make a separate video to talk about 35 EMA. We could see clearly here 8 EMA is doing a crossover of 20 EMA, and 8 EMA is coming below 35 EMA, which is very clear indication market will gonna fall, for which we need to wait for the price action or we need to wait for the breakdown. If at all you see Nifty is already trying to give a breakdown. So this is the candle for us to entry. If at all you observe, it broke current day low on single candle. It also broke previous day high. This is a perfect entry, provided Nifty is also on downtrend and we have good amount of space for price to move up to CPR. So if I make an entry here, I should book my first profits at this point, book half of the target here, second target is here. Since Nifty was very weak, we could take another chance and keep half of our or 25% of our lots as is and try to book second profit here, because central pivot will act as very strong area of reversal. Good that it came till last pivot point and reversed from here, but the best part is it reversed. It's good for us to book profit from here. I made an entry here, booked my first profit here. In fact, I booked 75% of my lots here and just retained only 25%. I had to have lot of patience to wait here and book another profit here. That is how I was able to make 10,000 rupees. And this is how I make every day. Every day I try to make 10,000 and 20,000 rupees. So what is very important? Very important is how we analyze the chart, how much patience we need to have to make a right entry, have set a right stop loss and book profits. What gives us confident to book profit is wherever the market will start moving towards CPR, that's the central pivot range. So CPR will be the place where we should be ideally booking profit, and this is where I book my profits. Okay, if at all you like this video, please like this video, subscribe to my channel and support me. Thank you so much.